Hey guys, Lucas here. Thanks for tuning back to my channel. As you can tell, got a new project. This, my friends, is a 1986 ISHIPLA Monster. So, very rare car, and I'll tell you why. The company that made this vehicle made accessories for the RC planes and helicopters, that kind of thing. So they really wouldn't venture too much in the car category. So this would be the only time they would do this. So super rare car. This one came in two variations or two designs. You would get the ones with the white rims. I've seen those. And then obviously the yellow. And then there's a little bit of a difference right here. Some would be punched out and some of the front supports would not be punched out. From what I can see, that's pretty much it, other than the body design is the same, but the variation paint schemes were a little different. The major box art would be the orange-red color with the blue graphics. So you could probably find more of that stuff online if you want to look it up to see how they looked. And then the other box design would be, from what I could find, would be just a two-tone paint scheme from like a pinkish color, pinkish purple, with some white undertones. With the white rims. So it should be a lot of fun. Let me show you inside this car, show you what's going on. So I got this car off eBay for like 50 bucks, and I didn't even know what it was. I had to do some research. I got this for about a couple years ago, just starting to get into it because it needs a motor mount assembly and some gears. I couldn't find them for a very, very long time until recently. I was able to find this whole assembly, and I hurried up and bought it. So, not cheap to get this. Not even gonna tell you how much I paid just for this part alone. So, then we're going to install a ESC, waterproof ESC. If you want to know more about this ESC that I'm holding right now, I did make a video of it. So, if you'd like to know more, like I said, go back and check it out. It's really cool stuff about these. So, around 7 bucks. So we're going to take out this. I'm going to use the servo to handle the front wheels. That's going to be cool. A lot of rust, a lot of dirt on this thing, so I got to clean it. The bumper's got a little crack in it, so I got to somehow fix that. Missing screws, rust, like I said. So got my work cut out for me on this one. So the box art, obviously, like I said, is like a reddish orange color. So that's going to be pretty cool. With some blue. I don't have the decals for it, so I got to make some decals somehow. But in the meantime, we'll just put some like sponsor type decals on it. So it should be pretty cool. Got to get rid of the bushings and install bearings everywhere I can, make it roll a little better. So it should be a pretty cool car when it's all said and done with. I haven't found too many of these running on YouTube. But maybe you guys have one or know something about these cars. I would love to have a little more information on this one. So that'd be kind of cool. I want to compare the front more like a grasshopper style. And I guess the rear is like an AYK design with the independent suspension setup, swing arms, like maybe like an AYK Boxer or something. So pretty cool, very fragile, and kind of sad that they only made one buggy or one car. Alrighty guys, I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please hit a like, and I'd love it for you to subscribe. Not going to want to miss this monster when it's all ready to roll. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.